Welcome to 3rd Standard Science Class video session. In today's session, we are going to learn about force. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn about force in detail. Force is defined as a push or pull of an object. Let us learn the concept force, some simple movements and actions in our daily life. In our daily life, we do different actions such as pushing, pulling, twisting, and turning. By doing these actions, we move or change the shape of an object. So, change in position of an object is called a movement. So, the movement it is defined as the change in position of an object or a thing. So, what is an action? Action is the motion which gives the required result. So, what is an action? Action is the motion which gives the required result. So, let us look at the picture below to understand movement and action better. The first picture you see the player hit the ball with a hockey stick. The second picture, boys are riding bicycle. In the above pictures, what moves? In the first picture, the ball it will move. In the second picture, the bicycle. What is an action here? The first one, that is the kicking, hitting is the action. In the second one, it is riding is an action. So from the above concept, we have to learn about the next thing, that is motion. So when the object or a thing moves from one place to another, it is said to be in motion. So the moving object is defined as in motion. What is a force? A force is a push or a pull on an object which make it to move, change its shape or stop it from moving. So force involves an interaction between two or more objects. Force can lift or drop an object. Without force we can't move any object. Here the picture you see all the three picture object it is moved because of the force it is applied by some person. Look and see what kind of action to the pictures denotes. Here all the pictures shows pushing actions. So what is a push? When a force is applied in the direction of an object it is called a push. So that is the same, both the force as well as the movement are in the same direction in the push. Next let us learn about a pull. Look and see what kind of action do the pictures say. Here all the actions show pulling actions. When a force is applied in the direction opposite to the direction of an object it is called a push. Here the both, that is the force as well as the movement, are in opposite direction, that is defined as the pull. Classify a following a push or a pull. The first one, riding the bicycle, it is an action push. Moving the table towards you, it is defined as the pull. Dragging the chair, it is also a pull. Moving a car to start, it is an action push. Opening the window, it is the push action. The sixth one, stretching the rubber band, it is the pull action. Removing the shoelaces, it is also the pull action. Now let us learn some effects of forces in detail. Energy is needed to apply force. So to want to apply force, we need some energy. Force helps us to do the following things. This we defined as the effect of forces. The first one, force can change the direction of an object. Force can change the speed of an object. Force can also stop a moving object. Force can also change the shape of an object. Let us learn one by one in detail. The first one we have to say that the force can change the direction. Force changes direction. Here in the picture, a boy hits the shuttlecock and it reaches the other boy. He hits it again with the rocket to move it to the opposite directions. So the force can change the direction of an object. Force changes motions. The cycle moves forward because force is applied on the cycle by pedaling. When we stop pedaling, the force is removed and the cycle stops and comes to rest. So the force is required for motion. Some application of force in our daily life. Opening the door, pulling rope in a tug of war, pulling rope from a well. Next, let us learn about force can change the speed of an object. Force can change the speed of a boy which is already in motion by providing more force on it. Ram and his brother are playing with a toy car. Ram tries to move the toy car and his brother stop it from opposite direction to slow down the toy car. Here the force changes the speed of an object. Force can stop a moving object. An object stops moving when we apply force in the opposite direction. Have you played football game? How will you stop the ball? The goalkeeper apply force and stop the ball. Force can change the shape. When an inflated balloon or water balloon is pressed, some force is applied on both sides of the balloon. Thus, it changes its shape. While squeezing a plastic water bottle, force is applied on all sides of the bottle. Thus, the shape and size of the bottle is changed. Children, less force is required in pulling than in pushing. So it is easy to pull than push an object. I hope you got clear information about force. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.